Hello, my name is Matt Duda, and I'm here to explain to you how to use some of the functions on a Smartboard. First thing I wanted to talk about was the different pen functions. So when you pick up a pen, you can write directly on the board anything you want to use to teach in your class. Another function is up on top. There's a bunch of different buttons that will allow you to change the function of the pen. So I can click one of the buttons on top and now change the pen to be a keyboard or to write letters here. I can change it to draw straight lines, or I can even change it to become an eraser as my pen. Other things you can use on the Smartboard is you can use your hands to change things. One of the best functions is you're allowed to press a button and move around one of your drawings or one of your images. You can also resize it, just like on a smartphone or an iPhone, making it larger or smaller by stretching the word out. Something else is same thing with the pen is you can click different functions on the keyboard, and I can use my finger now to create a square. Okay. Last thing you can use is your fist will become a eraser. Okay. When you use your fist on the screen, you can erase anything that you've written. Now I wanted to kind of show you some more functions with my screen capture to explain some of the other functions of the Smartboard and the program. Now I'm going to show you a few things using the Smart Notebook program. First, let's talk about getting a graphic or an image. Click on this picture in the top left corner, type in whatever image you want. Here we'll use graph. Click to pictures. This will give you different pictures to use. Click on a graph and just drag it to the screen to use it on your lesson. This image is allowed to resize, make it larger, smaller. You can move it around the screen. A few things that are really fun is to clone, just to make a copy of it. You can also use the infinite cloner, which makes endless copies, as you can see. To take off the infinite cloner, you click the top right. Something else that is good to use is you can use an image to put it onto another page. So create a new page by clicking at the bottom, and then we can drag the image from this page to our new page. So you don't need to make multiple images. Something else that is interesting here is you can use text from the keyboard. You can type whatever you'd like. Oh, welcome to class. And then resize this for your notes. You can also move it around the screen or even copy it using the clone feature. Something that I use often is the screen capture. I click on this camera that we clicked on, then go to your desktop or any internet page. I'll open up this PDF, and you can capture any image and place it on your Smart Notebook file. So we can click that to just take part of the page, the first with the box. Now this is an image that we can use. Once again, you can resize. The other capture is an entire screen capture, which allows you to take the entire page and resize it and move it around the page, whatever you need to use. Or you can take a irregular shape of an image, as if it's not a rectangle, and put that onto your document. Okay. Each time it can save to a new page or the same page, and this will allow you to resize, to clone, to cut, copy, make an infinite cloner. Something that also you can do is lock this image in place, so your students cannot move it without unlocking it. You can allow it to move but not resize, or you can allow it to move and rotate around the page. or resize it once you unlock it. So, thank you for watching on the basics of how to use images on the Smart Notebook software. Thank you very much.